welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I am representing my daughter in heaven. Yes, we are about to have some fun. This is a shirt that I got made for her. My baby would be 10 years old if God would have let me keep her. Let's get into this drip today. Yes, so this is a unit by Model. This is Chaylyn. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right, y'all. Okay. This is our stock card. She is beautiful. She is a pre-braided unit. Yes, I have her in the color number 1. I'm so excited about this. Let's open up this box. So let's get her out of this box and see what we're working with. Already she is beautiful, just coming out of the pack. I'm loving the texture. It's yucky, but with some other fibers included in there, but it's very soft. Here's another look at our stock card. Here is the back. Love the way that the model has it. Very cute. Love her color too. And here's another look at the front of the stock card. That 13x6 lace parting area at the top. So cap construction, look at that lace. It looks beautiful on my skin, but here is our top portion. Inside of the cap, we got 2 combs off to the side. They gave us an adjustable band, loving that. Then we also have a comb in the back. Then there's also the adjustable straps. Yes, the stretchability on this is great, so I would say she is big head friendly. I'm excited, y'all. Let's see what we're working with. So I'm trying to show you where I'm adjusting that strap, where I'm going to have it at. And then I'm just going to leave my adjustable straps the way they came. Not going to adjust those. And then let's just kind of pop her on and see what she looks like before we take off this lace. Oh, yes. Cute. Hi, yes, honey. Feeling her. She is pretty. Yes. I'm loving this. I was getting a little bit of tangling, but it's all good. I can easily run my fingers through her. Like I said, she's very soft. She is a yucky type blend unit. Not quite sure exactly what she's blended with yet, but we'll get more into that. So here is our top portion of our unit. Looks very good. I love the braids. The detail of the braids is good. That hairline looks very beautiful. I was trying to pull out that lace, but my nails are super sharp, so I didn't want to mess it up before I cut that off. It looks good with the ear to ear. Each side looks very beautiful. Well done. Loving the baby hairs on top too. Those are really cute. The hair was tangling in the back, so I was trying to get those tangles out. But besides that, really good. I think they did a good job. This is really pretty. I am kind of digging this. Let's turn around. She is a very long unit, okay? Very long. So if it's a hot summer day, she's gonna be hot. She comes all the way down to my tush. So like I said, she's extremely long, but she's full. You can see no gaps. Very beautiful. Yes. All right, so now we're gonna have to get this lace off. Cut that lace off, and let's see. So you just want to take you some scissors, and you want to cut along that hairline and move those baby hairs back so that you don't cut those off. Yes. Take your time, because you can mess up the lace, but you can always fix it. But make sure that you take your time just going around the hairline. And now that I got that off, this is what she's looking like after I have cut that lace off. So now I'm going to get ready, and I'm going to tint her just a little bit. She did already look very good on my skin, but I'm just going to go ahead and spray her with some of my tint spray just to make sure that everything blends in very well. So we're just going to spray just a little bit. Then you need to make sure that she's dry. And then I'm tightening that band just a little bit more. And then I found another comb in the middle. So that's what I'm showing you guys. So there's 3 combs up at top, plus that one in the middle that makes 3. So I'm going to plop her back on my head now that I didn't cut that lace off. And let's see what else we need to do with her. Yes, very, very cute. Okay, now that I got that, now I gotta get her situated, y'all. Okay, having a look in a hot mess, okay? Yes. Now I'm going to grab those combs that are off to the side and I'm going to place them up under my wig grip. I was trying to make sure that I get them placed correctly. So these are going to be very secure. I did not use that one in the middle. I didn't think that I really needed it. It was already tight enough with just having the clips up front and then also having that band. And like I said, I showed you guys, I went back and adjusted that band and I was getting some tangling there and some shedding, but you're going to get that once you cut that lace off. And then it kind of tangled in the back, so I just kind of ran my fingers through it, kind of getting those tangles out. But yeah, she is very cute. I got to lay down those baby hairs. I really love the baby hairs. They're not too much because you guys know I hate baby hairs. Yes, so I just kind of moving these baby hairs out of the way. I'm going to get ready and put some gel on them and gel them down. And it's like a 1-2. This is like a very good beginner friendly wig. There's not much for you to do here. All you need to do is kind of cut that lace. If you want to tint it, great. You don't have to tint it, well, depending on what your skin tone is. And I was just showing you here that I use bare minimums, and then I use the color Truffle 29. And I'm going to take some of that powder and put it around the edge of the hairline. So if I wanted to pull it back, you won't see that markadication on there. But yeah, it looks really good, really good. Just looking at the other side. And on this side, I could have went in and could have cut off that extra lace, but I just kind of left it there and put some powder on there because I could have used some freeze spray and put it down, but we'll see. And then I put some oil on there. I don't mind the shine, but let's talk about it. Hey, welcome back, sweets. Welcome back to the channel. We are back in my studio. Yes, heat wave is over. Back to it. I'm gonna bring y'all these videos, okay? So make sure you got the notification bells turned on because we about to get lit. Welcome back to another video, you guys. I'm excited. Yes, I appreciate you guys' love so much. Yes, if you are new here, come on and subscribe to the family, y'all. Go ahead and do it at the link below. Also turn on those notification bells so you know when I upload a new video. Now let's get on into this drip while you clicked on that thumbnail. Ow! Today we are coming through with this gorgeous unit that I have on my head, y'all. Okay, she is cute. Cutie pre-braided synthetic drip. Okay, I got this because I love like the pre-braided wigs, like half braided and then have like the hair coming down. And this cutie was really cute. I've had her for like a month and I'm just now getting around to doing the review. Okay, don't judge me, y'all. It's been busy. It's been hectic. Okay, I do have a travel blog that is coming up after this video, so if you guys want to see what I've been doing, go ahead and make sure you got those notification bells turned on, so when that travel blog hits, you're able to see what I have been doing. Okay, anywho, back to this drip. So this is a model unit, okay, and this is good for beginners. Okay, you literally just cut that lace off, tint it, and then you're pretty much, you know, put your little baby hairs down, and then you are out the door, honey. Okay, now I will say she is extremely long. Okay, I didn't think she was gonna be that long, but she is extremely long. She goes under my boob, okay? And then as you will see in the video, she is down my back. So she is long. So this one is going to be hot, okay, you guys? But let's get into the specs of it. So she is a premium synthetic fiber, and it's hard to, she's yucky, but with a little bit of straight, if that makes sense. She's not all the way yucky like you're used to seeing our yucky type textured wigs. She's got a mix. of, you know, different fibers in there. So it's not all yucky, but it is still kind of a nice weight to her. And she's thick too. And like I said, 13x6 lace frontal. She has a pre-plucked hairline. And of course, she is a braided style unit. It says she's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I might try to curl her, but I ain't got time to do that today. Let's see if there's anything else about her. She does say that she is 24 inches. So she is quite long, you guys. She's long, but she is gorgeous. I love the detailing up here at the top. You know, that's really pretty. And I just kind of got my little clips off to the side because I don't want all of that hair falling in my face. I kind of want it pushed back. And I did put some oil in her because there was a lot of flyaways, okay? I put some of this oil in here that I showed you guys before to kind of tame that out. And it did give it like a little shine to it, but I don't mind having the shine to it. I think it looks pretty good. But when I get closer, so you can see that it has some different strands of hair. It's not all the way yucky, like I said, if that makes sense. But she's very beautiful. She's very soft, but I can tell that she's going to tangle, okay? Over some time, she's going to tangle. This is one that you kind of wear maybe a couple times, and then you're gonna have to start cutting it because it's gonna get all tangly. I can already tell that now. But like I said, she's a beautiful unit. So you guys tell me if it's a slay or nay. Comment below. Yes, for me this is a total slay. Okay, I'm like I am feeling cute. Okay, yes, I'm gonna have to wear this out today. This is gonna be my look for today. Today is my daughter's heavenly 10th birthday. If she would have been here with us, rocking with us, that's why I have on like my little shirt. Okay, for the question, I want to know what you guys do to honor your people who have passed on. For me, passed away before I even gave birth. I had a placenta abruption, so she was already passed when I had gave birth. So every year I celebrate her birthday as if she's here. This year is a little different. I'm just not dealing with the drama. I'm feeling kind of sad, but I'm also feeling kind of happy. But we're gonna go out. We're going to go see the new escape room today. Then we're gonna go get something to eat. Then we're going to go and come back home. We're gonna watch Space Jams off of HBO Max. Normally, I'll show a little clip. I do a huge party every year. I invite all the family, my grandkids, but unfortunately, people just can't get along, and it's like family ain't family no more, okay? So I just don't have time for the bullshit and the drama, so I'm just doing something low-key this year, but next year, I'm gonna do it big. Whether I have people around or not, I don't care. I'm gonna get my grandbabies and we gonna do something big. The next birthday coming up is my grandbaby, my first grandbaby, my little niece. Her birthday is coming up on the 25th, so I'm gonna get her a little treat for her birthday. So it's gonna be awesome. So anyway, back to this, y'all. So it's definitely a slay for me. Like, I'm gonna wear this out today and I'm gonna take some little cute little pics. I'm gonna change my shirt because I have a jersey and everything with her name on it. We're all wearing jerseys today. I just kind of wore my shirt for the video. So we are gonna get ready and get up out of here. I'll leave all the information in the description box, the links to everything, to what you should to where you can go get her. Like I said, she's on Ebony Line, and I got this off of Diva. And if you're interested in where I got like my little hats made for my daughter, yes, I got this made off of Vista Print. I had it made, so I'm gonna actually wear my little hat. Well, I gotta adjust it, right? I think it's too tight. But I'm gonna wear my little hat today, of course, with my little shirts and stuff, repping my baby. Yes. But these are super cute. I think this hat was like maybe $25, and I designed it myself off of Vista Print. So it's really cute. And the shirts I designed off of Vista Print as well. I got her facing everything on the back. Her death day and all of that stuff is on the back, so it's super cute. And I think it was like 40 or 50 bucks, but you can always get coupons from Vistaprint to get the shirts made. So all right, you guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, like I said, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe at the link below. Also, turn on your notification bells. Let me know in the comments if this is a slay or nay. Okay, would you go get her? Yes or no? Okay, let me know. Send me some pics. Always following my Instagram handle right here. And until next time, my sweets, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.